Start by removing any existing ion source from the front of the mass spec. Grab the MnESI or MnESI source and install it on the front of the mass spec. Plug in the LEMO connection on the bottom of the source. Use your thumb and index fingers to pull back the stage. Remove the plug and dummy emitter. Install the M3 emitter, aligning the notches in the upper left corner to the upper left notch inside the source housing. Latch it into place. Screw in the nanoviper lightly and be sure not to over tighten, as this will damage the M3 emitter, and tighten it with a torque wrench. Line up the black line on the camera to the black line on the source housing, and then tighten it with a hex wrench. Now grab the power cable for the light source, plug it into the side, slide in the stage, and install the USB cables into a power source or the computer.